As y'all can see, man, we got D340 out. Finna bring it out to taking my brothers to school. This is the first time I've done this. I'm not really a morning person at all, so this is the first time I'll be doing this. As y'all can see, I got my front bumper done. I went with the M3 bumper. I don't really like the M Sport bumper, and I didn't like the non-M Sport bumper. I definitely hated it. I got some paint matched. I paint matched the front lip. I'll keep this for right now until I get like a different front lip, and then y'all probably can't see, but I added like the white little V-brass things on the thingy, on the little bars, on the little V-brace, I think. And so I did that. I'm getting lowered next, and I'm trying to find something to take these damn lug nuts off, because I cannot get them off, because I want to I'm trying to polish my wheels for right now until I actually get like some custom crazy rims, because I'm not trying to spend that yet to get some crazy rims yet. And then I do plan to get lowered, and then I just want to polish this to make them look like that chrome type of look, so it looks pretty good at least when I get it lowered. So I'm probably gonna get lowered next. But now we're ready to take my brothers to school. They are about to come to the car now and get out. We got a full tank of gas, so you guys know it's gonna be good. Record like the maps and shit too. So yeah, man, taking my little brothers to school. Yeah, I don't know why I went like that. I didn't realize I didn't put it in manual. Alright, I gotta go all over here. Right, it's so cold, bro. Like, yo, what the fuck? Yo, what is wrong with this man, bro? No, Kev, I do gotta get my new bumper, bro.
That's what Jed probably thinks about.
Right here?
Yeah, this is it.
Let me wait for this little bump, bro.
Oh,
I don't.
release.
For real?
Yeah, you good.
Yeah, that's where's he at?
He's in the middle. He's in the middle. You get it though. He's over straight on the middle.
Every last year they did it to me too. And then when I got my BMW, like all that noise, they didn't even try no more, bro. I'm gonna go to my original spot. Where should I go? This is where I used to park all the time, bro, so I don't know. Fuck it, I don't care, bro. I'm gonna take 2 spots.
Look at that little green car right there. I think you should trade this shit in. You trade the BMW for that. That's taking 2 spots right now.
I used to do this in the white BMW all the time, bro.
Why do you say that?
Dropped off my brothers, man. We finna head home now. Oops. Yeah, man. This car, man. I need a steering wheel so bad, bro. I need a new steering wheel so bad. Like, I already got the front bumper. I added like a front lip, and then I got new tail lights. I need the steering wheel, bro. And I was about to get a steering wheel over the tail lights first, but they started telling me my steering wheel wouldn't get here till a whole nother month later. So I didn't really want to wait yet, because they have some holiday going on, so I didn't want to wait yet. And so I just got the tail lights first because they came a little quicker, and so I just wanted something new done since I was already getting my front bumper done. So now I just gotta wait a little more. I'm about to get a steering wheel. I can't wait because I really do not like this steering wheel at all. I wish I knew when I bought this car what the M Sport stuff was, because I didn't know. I was coming from a 328i, man. I didn't know nothing. So I really wish I had an M Sport. I didn't know about anything, so it sucks because now I have to do all the bumper modification, the side skirts, everything. But it's all right, man. It's a work in progress. Regardless, I'm gonna get this car looking crazy, so that's fine. But man, I can't wait. The steering wheel is so much needed because the steering wheel is just so nice, and I got a really good steering wheel I want to get, so that's really good. I'm gonna do an aftermarket one. I'm trying to decide. Y'all help me decide, man, if I should get carbon fiber or forged carbon fiber. I was going carbon fiber originally, but I keep seeing a lot of forged carbon fiber wheels. I'm not gonna lie, they do look crazy and they look nice, so I don't know which one I'm gonna stick with because they really do look nice. So I'm really trying to decide, but regardless, it's gonna come out nice whatever I get. But yeah, those have been coming out crazy. But we're not gonna lie, we got a little Civic. I don't know, is it a Civic? I don't know, but it's like lowered right here. I ain't gonna do too much because of the police. But yeah, man, that shit, what the fuck? Y'all do this too, but do y'all ever just like be on the road and you just see like another car person, or I don't know, a nicer car or whatever, and you just, I don't know, I just be having the feeling I gotta assert dominance. Like, they do it to me every time when I can't do nothing, so like I feel it's only fair I do something when I see another car person. So like when I saw like the Civic, that's why I did that. But now y'all let me know. I feel like every car person does that, not gonna lie. Like, I don't know, it might just be me, but I don't know, sometimes I'll be sitting at red lights and like a car will purposely see my car, a car person, and then they'll just do like a crazy pull beside and going past my car. But I don't know, that may just be me, but that be happening to me a lot. I wish this car would hurry up. Now this car does sound good in person. It definitely doesn't sound the same on the camera, but it sounds really good in person. And one thing I like about this car that I didn't like with my other car is this car, like when I'm actually, like if I go in Comfort or Eco Pro, it's actually mad quiet. Like my E90, I couldn't control it at all. Like it was just way too loud, and it had a crazy amount of rasp. And I know it's because of everything that I did to it, but it didn't sound terrible, but it didn't sound like something I can daily every day. And I got pulled over so many times in that car, so it wasn't good. But it did look nice though. I swapped the bumper and everything. It did look pretty cool. It didn't look bad. And then I used that car while I was in school. I hadn't graduated yet, and like everybody in the school knew me for that car because of how loud it was. Like, it was the loudest car in the school, and it was crazy. Like nobody knew me for nothing else because I didn't really talk to nobody. I wasn't really like a talkative person, and so nobody knew me but my car. That's it. So everybody just knew me from my car. So it's kind of crazy. But like even the administrators or teachers, like they hated me because of my car, and the specific administrator there only knew me because of my car, which was crazy because he never knew me in school or saw me really in school, but he just knew me because of my car, because he would be standing out in the morning, and he would just hear it every day. Now if you could hear that right there, that is one thing I hate about this exhaust system, is like when I'm going really slow in the gear, or if I'm like at 2900 RPMs or something, or like 2800 I think, it just sounds so like it's so weird. I hate it. I don't know why it sounds like that. But then like as I get, I never really have to hear it because I don't really sit like that in the RPM like that. Right there I just did because they were driving mad slow, so it never bothers me too much because I never have to really hear it, because I'm always like driving either lower gear than that when I'm just like driving regularly, or if I'm doing pulls or none, you never hear it, so it isn't too bad to me. But yeah, that is one thing that I hate about this system. That's why I really can't wait to get the new exhaust system, because it sounds so good and I actually really like it. So that's the only one thing. But I'm not gonna lie, it is like 9 in the morning, so I'm probably driving a little too crazy for people at 9 in the morning, but it's whatever, man. But yeah, this is my neighborhood. They don't really like me, I'm not gonna lie, but that's all right, man.